Looking for a new cordless belt sander? Whether you're tackling a big DIY project or smoothing rough surfaces on your latest woodworking creation, having the right tool can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into the top 7 cordless belt sanders of 2024, comparing power, features, design, and performance, so you can pick the one that suits your needs best. Stick around to find out which one deserves a spot in your toolbox. The Win is a budget-friendly option that brings a lot of value to the table. With a 20-volt max battery and a variable speed range from 400 to 1100 feet per minute, it's versatile enough for most sanding tasks. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, you can adjust the speed to match the material you're sanding. The 3-inch by 18-inch sanding belt size is the industry standard, which makes it easy to replace and find replacement belts. On the positive side, it's lightweight at just 5.7 pounds, making it a great option for users who need a tool that won't tire them out during long sanding sessions. The ergonomic design is well thought out, providing comfortable use for extended periods. The quick-release belt tension lever also makes belt changes easy, no tools required. Plus, the built-in dust bag with a 1¼ inch port helps keep your workspace cleaner. However, there are some trade-offs. The motor is brushed, which means it might not offer the same longevity or performance as brushless motors. This could also lead to more maintenance over time. Furthermore, its power is adequate but not necessarily suited for heavy-duty tasks or professional use. Battery life can also vary depending on how demanding the project is, and sometimes you may find yourself needing an extra battery. The Greenworks brings a step up in terms of motor technology with its brushless design. Brushless motors tend to be more efficient, offering better runtime and longer tool life. With an 850 FPM sanding speed, it's not the fastest, but it strikes a balance between power and finesse. The 3-inch by 18-inch sanding belt is standard, and the tool-free belt change makes it incredibly easy to swap out belts, which is a huge time saver. This model weighs in at 7.2 pounds, which is a little heftier than the Win, but still manageable. It features a removable dust bag so you can keep your work area tidy, and an adjustable front handle that allows for 5 different positions, helping you get more control during your sanding tasks. Whether you're sanding flat surfaces or edges, the adjustable handle gives you flexibility. The downsides? Well, the battery and charger are often sold separately in some bundles, which can add to the overall cost. Also, despite the brushless motor, the 850 FPM speed might not be ideal for the toughest tasks. If you're looking for raw power, this might leave you wanting a little more. The Ridgid is another solid contender, featuring a brushless motor and a great range of speeds, from 400 to 935 FPM, with a larger 5.0 amp-hour battery. This tool offers a good runtime, but like many of these cordless sanders, the battery is sold separately, which could mean extra cost. The sanding belt is the standard 3-inch by 18 inches, so it's easy to find replacements, and the tool-free belt release adds convenience when swapping out belts. Weighing in at 7.5 pounds, it's not the lightest option, but it's comfortable to use thanks to its 3-position adjustable handle. This allows you to customize your grip based on the angle of your work. The AirGuard technology offers excellent dust collection, ensuring you won't be left with a mess after a long sanding session. However, there are a couple of drawbacks. First, the battery runtime can be a bit limited, especially if you're working on larger projects. If you're planning to do a lot of sanding, you might find yourself swapping batteries or waiting for a charge. Also, while the dust collection is effective, it tends to lose efficiency once the dust bag is half full. Finally, the tool is a bit bulky, so it may not be as nimble as other models. Next up, we have the Metabo, a beast of a sander. This model comes with a 36-volt multi-volt system, which means you can use either a 36-volt battery or plug it into your AC adapter for corded use. This versatility is great if you need constant power and don't mind being near a power outlet. The brushless motor ensures maximum efficiency, and with a variable speed range from 400 to 1475 FPM, you'll have plenty of options depending on the material you're sanding. At 7.7 pounds, it's a little heavier than the others, but the soft grip handle and ergonomic design help reduce user fatigue. The dust collection system is top-notch, and you can choose between using the included dust bag or connecting it to a vacuum hose for even more effective dust removal. On the downside, the 36-volt battery and adapter are sold separately, which increases the overall cost. Also, while it's extremely powerful, this sander might be overkill for simple DIY tasks or smaller projects. If you're a professional who needs consistent performance though, this could be a great choice. The Craftsman is a great option for users who need a balance of power, comfort, and convenience. With its brushless motor, it provides extended runtime and reduced maintenance. The sanding speed of 950 FPM is good for most tasks, though it may not be as fast as some of the other models in this lineup. The 3" by 18" sanding belt is the standard size, so it's easy to replace. At 6.8 pounds, it's a little lighter than some of the competition, and the adjustable 3-position auxiliary handle adds a level of comfort when you need more control over your sanding. The tool-free belt installation is a huge time saver, and the dust collection system is versatile, allowing you to connect the tool to a vacuum for better dust extraction. However, the battery is sold separately, which means an extra investment. Additionally, the top sanding speed of 950 FPM might feel a bit limited if you're used to faster, more aggressive models. The DeWalt comes in with impressive performance, offering variable speed settings ranging from 650 to 1050 FPM. This model uses a 3" by 21" sanding belt, providing a larger sanding area for more efficient work. With a brushless motor, you'll get longer runtime and better durability, making it perfect for professionals and serious DIYers. One of the standout features of the DeWalt DCW220B is its ergonomic design. Weighing 9.26 pounds, it's heavier than most, but the shape and handle design make it surprisingly easy to maneuver. The quick-release belt change system is also an excellent time saver, especially when you're switching between sanding tasks. The dust collection is highly effective when connected to a compatible dust extractor, helping you keep your workspace clean. However, as with many other models, the battery and charger are sold separately, which adds to the total cost. The price may also be a bit steep for casual users, but it's definitely a tool built to last. Finally, we have the Milwaukee, a powerhouse in the world of cordless belt sanders. Featuring a brushless power state motor, this model provides excellent power and longevity. The 1350 FPM speed means that it can take on tougher sanding tasks with ease. It uses a 13 by 18 sanding belt, and with Milwaukee's tool-free belt change system, you can switch belts quickly. One of the best features of the Milwaukee 283220 is its dust collection system. The multi-layer dust bag is effective, but you also have the option to connect it to a vacuum hose for superior dust removal. With dual LED lights, this sander offers great visibility, allowing you to see your work more clearly. At 7.5 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its power, and the ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use. The main downside is that the battery and charger are sold separately, and the tool itself is on the pricier side. So, which cordless belt sander is right for you? It really depends on your specific needs, whether it's budget, power, or features like dust collection and comfort. If you're looking for something affordable yet functional, the Win is a great pick. For those who need more power and longer runtime, the Milwaukee and Metabo should be top contenders. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews and comparisons. Happy sanding!